This is the YOFIGO Electric Air Duster. It supports USB-C charging and features two incredibly powerful airflow modes, reaching a rotational speed of up to 150,000 RPM. Additionally, it comes with 3 different nozzle attachments. It is an excellent tool for cleaning all kinds of electronic devices, whether it's computers, keyboards, the area under your desk, or any other hard-to-reach corners where dust tends to accumulate. It handles them all with ease. It is also currently one of the highest-rated air dusters on the market. The seller is currently running a limited-time flash sale. For a limited period, you can claim a $10 discount coupon on this new product, and it ships directly to your doorstep for free. If you are interested and would like to learn more, I have placed the purchase link right below this video.